Hola. So this is the nursery. 5 weeks on the seedlings. Carrots are pretty well spaced out. You can see them. They're in a good diamond shape. And I've started to try and transplant the onions so they would go around the diamond like that. So I'm trying to spread them out. I had high hopes for the spinach, but we seem to have lost everything that was in this corner. We still have some over here that are struggling but hanging in there. The lettuce, which I wasn't so sure we were going to get any, is now doing well. We've got this line right here of lettuce, and then it goes across the board. And then over in this corner, got some little ones here in a line. So yeah, we're doing good. Okay, bye.